Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Health Delights. Here I am going to talk to you something which is very important and which is very easily available in our own kitchen. Yeah, I am talking about micronutrients. These are very easily found in your kitchen and they are very good for health. So let's begin. First of all, I'll begin with fenugreek seeds, that is called methi seeds in Hindi. I've taken these methi seeds, I've soaked them overnight in water like this, and the result is these seeds. The seeds, they have swelled up, now they are ready for germination. So now we are going to plant them. For this, I'll take the pot, dig in, sprinkle these seeds in the pot. You need not to worry if the seeds get one on the top of the other, they will grow in clusters. Cover them with the mud. This is the mud that contains the organic manure also, with the cow dung. Put a splash of water and then put it in sunlight. Sunlight is very essential for the germination. In 5 to 6 days, the result would be this. See, you can see these saplings coming up. These are micronutrients. How you use them is, do not take out the roots, just cut them and then you can chop them and put it in your salads, spread it onto your parathas, your bread toast, anything where you can sprinkle your coriander. These micronutrients, they are very rich in magnesium, potassium, zinc and polyphenols. And one thing which I would like to tell you, that they are higher in the contents than their mature counterparts. So please start eating them in breakfast and lead a very healthy life. Second thing that I'm going to come to you is the coriander, dhania. Dhania adds flavor to each and every food that we eat, plus it gives a very good fresh look. So how we are going to grow coriander plant is, we will take these seeds, divide them into two, never put the full plant or full seed. Again the same procedure, we will take the vase, dig in, sprinkle the seed, cover with the mud and put in some water. Put it in sunlight. This coriander takes a bit more longer time. It will be more than 10 days. This is the first method by which you can grow coriander. The second method is, we get dhania leaves from the market. We keep the leaves and we discard the roots. We can take the roots in a similar fashion like we have done with the previous seeds. We can plant dhania plant. Just take the root, put it in the soil, cover it with the mud, sprinkle some water. The result would be this. See, this coriander plant, you can see it is coming out. This is also coming out. third thing that I am going to show you is the legume. Yeah, this is the white rajma that we eat. I have soaked it in water overnight, like I have done with this methi, and this has swelled up. You can notice this eye over here. So we will hold the seed like this, dig in the pot, holding the eye downwards, plant it, cover it with extra soil, put in some water, and again put the plant in sunlight. So friends, these were the 3 things that I have shown to you. Now one more thing which I would like to show you, which happened as an experiment. These lemon you are seeing, I've cut these lemon into 2 parts and I've taken up the seeds. The lemon is very small here, so the seeds are also very tiny. Again you will soak it in water for the seeds to swell up, dig in, add the soil, add some water and leave it in sunlight. And the result I'll show you, these 2 plants, they are coming out. Friends, trust me, if you smell them, very nice citric smell is coming out from these leaves. Can you see? 1 and 2. That's all for today, friends. Hope you have liked my video. Please do share it and like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Eat healthy, live a healthy life. Bye.